7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
So from the title, you know what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be doing this challenge that Nikkietutorial started. So basically what this challenge is about, it is basically, stop saying basically Jody, it is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be using my initials. So my name is Jody Ann Williams. I'm going to be using JW looks. I'm going to type in JW looks into Google, and then Google will tell me whatever image Google, the first image that Google gives me, it will be my makeup inspiration. And this is basically Nikkietutorial's, way of starting a challenge. Okay, she threw it out there for anybody who wanted to, recreate or do it or follow or challenge themselves. Yeah. And I decided to jump on the, But anyway, I'm gonna be doing this look, guys, and basically this picture, stop saying basically Jody. And what this look is going to be, I'm gonna show you a picture right now. It is this beautiful girl in her nice chic wear, nice elegant wear, She has this nice floral skirt with this navy blue top and nice flowing hair with her pink and her green earrings. Yeah, so, and the background was like the blue pool and the green palm trees. So I was thinking about like blue, using blue, and I wanted to use denim, and I wanted to use green, and I also wanted to use like pink or red, because I'm not really sure what color this is, but her earring, it's like pink, so I was like, maybe I should use pink. So my three colors were pink, blue, and green. So those were my primary colors. And then now for the pop of color, I wanted to use a little bit of yellow. I didn't have yellow in my collection, like this type of yellow, and maybe if I use this yellow it wouldn't really stand out, but I decided to use this champagne kind of color from the Magic palette. Not from the Magic palette, from the Masquerade palette, and I used that to add it to the my inner corner. Yeah. So it just brings the look together, and yeah, this is my creation, this is my interpretation of this picture. And it was a very good, nice picture for me, I don't know. But this was the look that I created, guys. I hope you like it. If you like it, you can leave me a big, fat, sweet, juicy like. I would definitely appreciate that. And also, if you want to see more videos like this, if you want to be a part of my family, my little crew that I have here going on, you can just click that subscribe button, and you can also click the notification bell, and you'll receive notifications when I post a video. And yeah, pretty much I just talked my entire life off, and I did this intro like 5 million times. But anyway, yeah, all in because for the love. All for the love, yes. So yeah, this is my look, this is my creation, and this is my interpretation of that picture. And if you appreciate it, if you like it, please leave me a nice, big, fat, sweet, juicy like. I would definitely appreciate it. It would mean a lot to me, and it also will assist me in growing my channel, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, because yeah, I'm actually trying to, But thank you very much for watching, and thank you Nikkietutorials for creating this little challenge. I think it's good for us, as content creators. It refreshes the environment, and you know what I'm saying. I don't even know what I'm saying, but yeah, guys. So if you want to see how I got this look, continue watching, and without further ado, let's get into the tutorial.
Okay guys, so the first thing that we're going to be doing, I'm going to be priming my eyes with my LA Girls Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. Okay, so I'm using now this my black opal invisible powder to just set where I set my eyes or prime my eyes. Then I'm gonna go in with this pink, and this is from the Zulu palette. I'm gonna be using this as my transition shade. I'm just gonna be using this nice crease brush, just blend the shadow into my crease so it can be nice and diffused, and the colors are nicely transitioning. So I'm just blending, as you can see, and then I just added some more and continue blending using this nice fluffy crease brush. Then I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush, and this is, I think this is the 109 brush from my Sylyne brush set, and I'm gonna go in with this color, and this is from the Magic palette. This is Ife or Ife. I'm going in with this color. This is like a deep, like it looks like denim blue, that kind of blue, and I'm adding that to like below the transition color, and I'm keeping that like right at the socket, right at the crease of my eyes, my real crease yeah. And I'm just using that brush now to just blend it in, and I'm spreading it like all over my eyes because I really want, when I'm going in with my with the green shade and the pink color, I really want them to pop. So that's the reason why I spread all the colors over my lid. So I'm just gonna go in with the fluffy brush again, and I'm just using a little bit more of the pink now to just blend out the edges. And I'm just searching for my palette because I have like 3 million palettes on my little stationery station at my station. What am I saying? And I'm using now the fluffy brush now to just blend everything, guys, as you can see. Then I went in with the same brush again, and I'm adding this color. This is like the blue next to, or before you get to the Ife. I don't remember, Boro. Yeah, that's the color from the Magic palette. Now I'm gonna go in with my Aliexpress Pro concealer, and I'm going to be like cutting my crease. So I'm using my detailer brush, guys. This brush is my cut crease brush. Like, it's perfect, it's small, it's very detailed, and it's pretty much like easy to use. So I'm using that now to just cut my crease, and that is going to create the space so we can add that blue and that pink color that you're seeing on the other eye. And I'm just trying to use precision to just cut that area because I want it to be very sharp. So that's what I'm doing right now, as you can see. So now we're going to go in with this green shade, and this is coming from the Zulu palette, the same one that I showed you earlier with the pink. I'm using that now to add this green shade. It's more like a, I don't know, what kind of green do you call this? Yeah, I'm using this kind of green at the inner portion, and I'm just adding it. And I added it a little bit, over into the center of my lid because I wanted it to like blend with the pink. So right in the center, right there where I'm adding the pink, I kind of wanted it to like diffuse a bit. Yeah. And also I wanted it to make, I wanted it to be easier for me to like blend the edges so it doesn't look so harsh. Yeah. So I'm going in with the Boro from the Magic palette, and I'm using that now at the outer V of my eyes. And I'm just pressing the colors right now. I'm not going to blend yet. Yeah, so I'm just adding that, and I kind of added it a bit above my my crease, or that area where I added the transition shade. Yeah, so I'm using this brush now, and this is from a brush that I got from Forever 21. I'm using the brush now, and I'm adding a little bit of the pink, and this pink is coming from the Masquerade palette. Yeah, I'm adding that pink and just trying to blend everything. So now I'm gonna go in with this green again. I'm gonna add that at my lower lid, and I'm just gonna repeat, or I'm just gonna recreate the same thing that we did at the top at the bottom. So the same colors that we use at the top, we're gonna use the same colors at the bottom. So I'm using that same Boro color from the Magic palette, and I'm using the same pink color that we use from the Masquerade palette. I'm just adding that, And then I'm just using this nice smudger brush now to just smudge everything in and to smoke it out. Then I'm going in with the blending brush that we used earlier to just blend out the edges. And then now I'm going to go in with this shade from the Masquerade palette. It's nice champagne-y kind of shimmery shade. Then I'm just going to brush my brows, clean it up, because you know we did our brows before our eyes, so it's kind of, you know, we're trying to clean up everything so it looks really nice. So I went in with my foundation, as you can see, and I was doing a little bit of baking. Now I'm just blending away the powder, and this is the Black Opal Invisible Powder, translucent. Yeah, and I'm just blending everything away with this brush, as you can see, blending everything so we can get a nice flawless finish. Yeah, and I went in with this Sylyne brush, this Sylyne buffing brush, and we're just blending out everything. So I'm going to go in with my my pressed powder, and I'm just slightly contouring my nose. Yeah, not really contouring. Then I'm going to be using this big fluffy brush from my Sylyne brush set. I'll leave the link if you want to find out about these brushes. And I'm blending out the shadow, you know, yeah. And I'm just going so fast. So I'm going to go in with my Kiss mascara, and I'm adding my mascara to my, you know, lashes. Oh, and I added my lashes. And guys, these lashes were the dollar lashes that I did for the previous video. I'll put the link for that video if you'd like to see. It was like a dollar lash, the dollar lash. And I'm just using the mascara now to just, you know, yeah, put a little bit of definition to my lower lash line. Yeah, I don't want to overpower my eyes with too much, you know, mascara, because I really wanted the eye look to, you know, pop, even though I want mine. Yeah. And guys, oh, I forgot to show you, I didn't show you on camera, but I added a little bit of gel liner, and I use that to just, you know, hide the lash band, or the glue actually, and also to kind of tight line, so my eyes are actually looking as if I have lashes. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, and I'm just taking forever with this mascara. Yes, I'm just trying to ensure that, you know, I don't put myself in the eyes and then my eyes start running and then my makeup is like the end of the day. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm doing now. Taking forever. Come on, Jody, hurry up. Like seriously now, Jody? You're gonna use the mirror for eye the makeup? People them see the makeup now? Okay, guys. So I'm just using the mascara now to just, you know, add some definition to my lashes, because, you know, my lashes haven't been, you know, a little bit these days. William down. So yeah, so I'm just using the lash now to, yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my LA Girls Brick Blush Kit, and I'm using the contour shade to just as my blush, because I'm trying to warm up my cheek, because we're gonna do a little bit of highlighting today. Not a lot, because I kind of don't want to go in with too much highlighting, but just adding some, you know, warmth to my face, even though my face is looking all warm and orange. Yeah, but it's warm, it's very warm, and I like when my face is very warm, so that's my kind of vibe, and it complements my skin. And I have like super hyperpigmentation, so I try to bring back that, you know, color to my skin even when I add the foundations and they're a little bit darker, or they're a little bit, you know, not really my shade. But anyway, we're gonna go in with my fan brush, and I'm going to add my e.l.f. baked highlighter. I'm using that to just highlight, and I'm trying to stay away, you know, I have that pimple right there. I'm trying to not, you know, add any of the highlighter to the pimple, because when you add a highlighter to, you know, an area of your face where you have like a pimple or any textured, you know, texturing going on, it causes the highlighter to look, it just looks weird, and it doesn't really look good. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just trying to keep the highlighting at the highest point of my cheek, but also keep it away from that pimple so it doesn't look so weird. Yeah, and I'm just, you know, grazing, that's what you say, grazing the brush, or brushing the highlighter across my face, and just slightly, you know, yeah, so it doesn't leave a harsh line. And now I'm just gonna add a little bit of the highlighter to above my Cupid's bow, because we're gonna be using lip gloss, because you know I love lip gloss. Like, yeah, I live for lip gloss. If I could buy an entire lip gloss factory with all different type of like lip glosses, I would. Yeah. I just love lip gloss. I just love how it make my lips look, you know, nice and you know, plump, and I don't know. Yeah, I just love that look and that glossy look and that fresh look, you know, youthful look.
So guys, this is my finished look. I hope you like it. I really like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and leave your comment and anything that you would like to know, you know, in the description bar. And yeah, and oh, and guys, yes, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Snapchat, follow me on Twitter. Yeah, I'm on every single social media platform. Follow me on Facebook. Everything is in, you know, you can just press on the logo on my banner. You'll see my Instagram, everything. So you can follow me and, you know, keep up with me. Even though I don't really post a lot, I'm not like super active, but it's good and I would love to interact with you. And you can send me a message if you want to, because I'm always free. I don't have anything to do. I'm always free. Yeah, you can send me a message anytime you like. I mean, apart from when I'm sleeping. But you can send me a message anytime. If you have any questions, anything, send me a message. Yeah.